Hey, what's up, traders? This is a pound yen, and I am a long term very bullish. I think the price can go much higher. I think it can go somewhere around this level, right? So, why I think that? Let me show you on the bigger time frame. So, let's go to the daily, and I will show you, or the weekly. I will show you this channel, right? So, basically, we are moving in this channel where we have this. Wideness of this, then we can draw this beautiful middle band. Here we can see the reaction in here, and I think the price will be taken in here. Why? Because it's beautiful, this supply zone, right? Could be correctly drawn something like this, but it's just for the information. We cannot take the levels like exactly or like that, especially if we are trading on the swing trades. So yeah, expecting it to go up. So we are going up right now, and we are going in this short-term channel. I mean, it's not a short term, but in our view, this is on the 4 hour. So we have the wave one, then the longer wave three, and currently I think we are in the corrective wave four before the price start to move up again, right? So what I want to do is I want to short this wave four. So let me go even the lower time frame, because this is what I am focused right now on. I am focused on this pullback, right? So what I see in here as well is that I can see, basically we can see that the wave starts here, right? So we have again wave one, wave two, wave three. Here is some pullback, and I'm thinking that we're gonna this wave three, it has always like a two waves, like wave one have one wave, two wave. Wave three has a, this is a wave two, wave three have a one wave, two wave, right? Then we get pullback and wave five, right? Probably, maybe I can be wrong, of course, but this is what I like to trade right now, and I think is happening. If you look to the COT data, we can see that on the pound, we basically can see for the last 3 weeks a slight drop in the longs in compare what we had before. We had the 57k, and we dropped down to the 49k, right? So it's slightly growed up a little bit, so the pound is bullish, but we must of course bring into the conclusion where the positions was reported. So we can see that it was on the Tuesday, which was in here, right? So we can see the growth in the longs positions in this period from here to here, right? So since then, we don't have a data for this period when the price is dropping right now, So that's what we don't get. We of course get the data which they want us to know, right? So what I'm expecting is if there is some, we can see that there was a big change to the 13 days. So if they want to accumulate more positions, they will want to do it where they did it last time, which is in here, right? And they will be doing once the price drop lower, not gonna be buying on the tops. That's what the retail traders are doing. If they have a like this so-called FOMO, fear of the missing, right? So I'm expecting the price to drop lower due to the position building on the pound, and what can be happening in the on the JPY. So we can see that basically USD JPY has reached 130k, which is quite extreme positions, and we have quite big volume, right? 79% exposure, 102k longs. And if you look to the other pairs like the USD JPY and ZD JPY, there is a really big levels reached as this as well in the supply zone, which we can see in the on the left. So that's why I'm expecting this correction, right? So now it's difficult now is just to decide how to enter the market. Of course, that would be easy to open the position now, and or maybe I would like to perfectly enter on this pullback even up here, but it doesn't have to happen, right? So, and honestly, I'm not the best in the timing the markets, and I'm not. Of course, if I want to enter with this stop loss like this, but the market is very manipulated, and this doesn't happen. So what I like to look at the POC, right, which is actually this level. So what does it tells me? That tells me where was the mostly traded, right? So this level actually tells me that in all these, what we can see on this picture is this is like a level where is the most of the traded, like equilibrium. So I'm expecting that if the price will reach the bottom of that and of this channel, I would be happy to enter in here with the stop loss above this POC and above this one. And it's 157.6, so 157.80 five, something like here would be nice to post for me, right? So how this can be played out, where I will be taking the profit, of course my target would be bottom of this channel, but as said, we have the wave one, wave two, here is a wave three with the correction, and if it drops like in here, I will take a profit in here. Why? Because then we can get the correction and then we can short it again, right? So that's what I'm looking for right now, and wish you good luck, my friends. Bye bye.